Hello guys. Very warm welcome to Shanghai ELUE'S Machining, official YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss the role injection molding is playing in medical industry. Okay guys, without any delay, let's get started. During the last couple of years, medical sector's requirements for ultra-high precision, economical, and efficient devices have increased significantly. Fortunately, injection molding is the perfect choice to meet these strict manufacturing requirements. For that matters, injection molding is an excellent manufacturing process, extensively employed in the medical industry, to fabricate different medical devices, components, laboratory, and facility equipment. Let's introduce you people with the advantages of injection molding that medical sector suppliers and manufacturers are leveraging. Cost efficiency. Injection molding is an economical manufacturing process. Especially when it comes to bulk productions, then no other process can offer the cost efficiency that injection molding offers. Ultra-high precision. The fabrication of parts, with extreme tight tolerances, is demanded in the medical sector, and is critical to save the lives of the patients. Injection molding can offer exceptional accuracies, when processed by an expert. Materials availability. Injection molding provides one of the largest materials options. But when it comes to medical industry, it requires some special materials to meet the industry standards. Thankfully, we have a large range of medical grades, meeting the crucial material requirements of the medical industry. Last but not least advantage that we have is contaminant resistance. Most of the materials used in the medical manufacturing are inherently defiant to contaminants. Also, they tend to sterilize easily, so that manufacturers can easily meet the strict standards and regulatory specifications. Medical parts manufactured using injection molding. We now give you guys an overview that how medical manufacturers use injection molding in the making of different parts. Enclosures and cases. Different medical tools, equipment, and devices need to be contaminant-free and kept at a clean place after use. For that, medical staff uses injection molded enclosures and cases that ensure the good hygiene and sterility of those tools and equipment. Different tools and devices. Medical manufacturers and suppliers use injection molding to economically produce many different medical devices, instruments, and tools. These include surgical gloves, tubes, insulin pens, syringes, personal protective equipment, catheters, etc. Implantable components. Different medical implants provide patients with the ability to deploy these devices to have a better quality of life. These implants often offer substantial biocompatibility to patients, and also long endurance. This all becomes possible because of the greater material availability. Disposable medical items. Medical practitioners sometimes prefer not to reuse some medical equipment by the reason of health effects, hygiene, and biohazard concerns. These include heart valves, plastic syringes, bandages, gloves, blood bags, etc. So these disposable medical items are produced using injection molding. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you need injection molding services for your business, you can contact us right now. Our state-of-the-art workshop and seasoned staff are always at your disposal to guide you with the best possible solution to solve your business needs.